Hello everyone, good morning. This is Reena. Today I am showing Gopalan Mall. This is a very popular in Bangalore. You will purchase earring, clothes. I will show you all the things. This is a gate. Everyone can see. And everyone just enter. This is a gate and I will show you all the things. And here is just celebrating. Everyone can see this is a means 15 August. And 15 August, here is just showing everything. And I will just show you. Here is kids also playing lot of the means woods. This is a very popular. And na, this is buses all also continues going on coming also. And this is means everyone just celebrating this 15 August. 15 August, very well everyone. 15 August in the since Independence Day. That day means 1947, freedom over India. So that is a celebrating, and I am just showing because of the mall. And that is a major point my. And let's go all the things I am showing.
Sunshine, blue skies. I gotta cry. Man, it's supposed to cross crying. Feel the pain, oh yeah. Listen, I love you. That sounds right. I wish it would rain. A man ain't supposed to cry. I wish it would rain. I wanna go outside. I wish it would rain. Sunshine, blue skies. I gotta cry. A man ain't supposed to cry. Listen, listen. I love you. That sounds right. I wish it would rain. A man ain't supposed to cry. I gotta cry. I wanna go outside. I wish it would rain.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. It's time to make a switch. Just open your eyes. Ooh. You're perfect just like this. I'm telling no lies. Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet.
बोलो भारत माता की जय। वंदे वंदे वंदे। जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद।